In this video, I will show you 10 most useful websites on the internet. The first one is Duolingo. This website helps you to learn any foreign language by creating an account, and from there you can select any of the language which you want to learn. Almost all the popular languages you would find that you can learn here: Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese, and even more languages are available like the Arabic and Czech. They also have an Android and iOS app, so you can use it on the mobile also. To practice and improve your typing speed, you can check out this website which is called typing.com. There are many features available on this website. They are explained here down below. I'll not be going into the details. The things are self-explanatory. Do go and check out this website from the link which is in the description. The next website helps you to find out whether the email offer that you have received is legit or it is just a scam. You can go onto their homepage and read out that, as they say, that we are the go-to source for discerning what is true and what is the total nonsense. So they investigate and they would find out that the offer is valid or not. So before you click on to any of these offers which you keep receiving on your emails, you can submit to this website, and then only if they tell you to that the offer is legit, you can visit that website link. The next website, the private note, is also a very useful website because here you can send the notes that will self-destruct after they have been read by the recipient. Here you can enter the text which you want the other person to read, and then you can click the show more options, and here you can select the note self-destruction after 1 hour, 24 hours, 30 days or after reading it. And here you can also select that do not ask for confirmation before showing and destroying the note, which you must select. And then here you can add the password, and here you can enter your email on which you will get the confirmation that the note has been self-destructed. Once you will create that note, you will get this link, which you can share this link on the email or any social media messenger or WhatsApp, and the person would read the note, and after it has read, it will destroy. Then Canva.com is a website on which you can create the stunning graphics, videos, presentations, templates for your social media accounts and your resumes, and anything you can think of. This website helps you to create these things. You can create the graphics from scratch, or you can select their templates which are already pre-made and which helps you to quickly make your graphics and social media posts. Even it helps you to create the presentations and the videos for your YouTube and even TikTok. So it is highly recommended. Do go and check out the link which is in the description. It is free to use. However, if you want to use all the features, then you have to buy this pro version of Canva. If you have find out a useful website on the internet and you want to see more websites like that, this website can help you. This is called similarsites.com. Here you can enter the name of the website. For example, if I want to see what are the similar websites to the YouTube, as you can see that here it has given a complete list of all the websites which are the video hosting platforms. Similar websites also has the Chrome extension, R extension for the other browsers also. You can download them. They also give you the monthly visits that each website receives, and the category ranking of that website. So this is also a very useful tool. You must download the extension similar sites for your websites, because while browsing the internet, if you come across a good site, you can simply click the extension icon on the top toolbar. It will give you the suggestions what are the similar sites to the site which you are just looking on. The next tool are online websites which we are recommending again and again because it is extremely useful for everyone. Doesn't matter who you are. and it is called Grammarly. It is an AI powered writing assistant tool. It helps you to correct your spelling, grammar and punctuation related mistakes. Doesn't matter if you don't do anything like freelance writing, or if you're not a writer. Even if you add the social media statuses, like you write something on your Facebook or Instagram, or you add the description of the TikTok, anything you write on the web page or within your browser, it will help you to correct the grammar related mistakes on your writing. So must install that. Link is in the description. Random.org is a website which helps you to generate a random number between the minimum and maximum values which you would feed here, and once you will press this generate button, it is going to generate a random number which you can use wherever and whatever purpose you want to use it. Like it is saying that you can use it for the games and lotteries and the random drawings. If you're not familiar with this website, then you must immediately go and check out this website, and this is called Google Earth. This website helps you to find out the satellite images of any area or any part on any area on the surface of Earth, just like you are seeing right now that I am zooming in into the New York City. This is a very interesting website. You can explore the whole world from your windows, from your laptop screen, and you can go into and check out that what all is available on the world map. These satellite images are regularly updated, and they are also of very high resolution. You can spend whenever you are bored or when you want to find out the satellite images for your projects, you can simply go on to the earth.google.com and you can find out the satellite images of any part of the world. Wolfram Alpha is a computational search engine. Unlike the normal search engines where you get the websites, here you directly get an answer to what you are looking for. They have given all the categories below because you have to learn this since it is quite different from the normal search engines. So they have given the examples. You can also check out the examples, then you can check out that how you can use this search engine for your own queries. For example, if I've just written this was the first word which came into my mind, the derivative of 39, and you can see that they have given the equation that is shown here. And then you would also get the related queries which you can find out, and then they would also give you the answers. So very interesting website or a search engine. You must go and check out this, and you must bookmark this and visit this websites frequently. If you want to find out the 10 best online tools that are available in the form of websites, or the 10 best websites that are there for the graphic designers, you can check out these two videos. In any case, thanks for watching till the end.